Now this is the question number 5 of exercise 13.1. The question number 5 is, a cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter and another cubical box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. So here the two boxes are given. First is in a shape of a cube and another is in a shape of a cuboid. The box which is in shape of a cube having an edge 10 centimeter and the box which is in a shape of a cuboid giving the dimension 12.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Now what you have to calculate? Firstly you have to calculate the lateral surface area for the both boxes. Then you have to compare that which one having the greater. Also calculate the difference, because at the last this is written by how much. Similarly in the second part you all have to calculate the total surface area and compare that which one having the smaller, and again here we have to find the difference, just because how much that the whatever will be the result, so we have to tell by how much the given box is smaller than the other. Okay, in the first one you have to tell the greater one as compared to the lateral surface area, and in the second you have to tell the smaller one by comparing the total surface area. Also find the difference in both the cases. So let us solve this problem. Now this is question number 5. The first one is, each edge of the cubical box is given to you 10 centimeter. Lateral surface area, as you know, that is 4a square, so that is equal to 4 into the side is given to you 10 centimeter, so 10 square, that is your 400 centimeter square. Okay, now for the cubical box, length is 12.5 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter, height is 8 centimeter, and the lateral surface area of the cuboid is 2 in bracket L plus B H. Now put the values, so we will get 2 12.5 plus 10 into 8, so that is 16 into 22.5, this is equal to 360 centimeter square, 360 centimeter square. Okay, so now if you compare, this is 400 centimeter square and this is 300 centimeter square, so which one having the greater surface area? The cube. Okay, the cubical box having the greater surface area. So you can write this now. Lateral surface area of cubical box. Now the lateral surface area of a cubical box is greater as compared to lateral surface area of cubical box. Okay, now one more thing is in the question, how much, so for that you have to subtract, that is 400 minus 360 equal to 40 centimeter square, so by 40 centimeter square. So lateral surface area of cubical box is greater as compared to the lateral surface area of cubical box by 40 centimeter square, so by 40 centimeter square. See at once, this is the solution of the first part. Okay, now for the second part we have to calculate the total surface area. So the total surface area of a cubical box is 6a square cubical box, and what is the a? That is 10, so this is your 600 centimeter square. Now we have to calculate the total surface area for the second box. So the total surface area of the cuboidal box is 2 length breadth plus breadth height plus height length. Now we put the value, so we will get equal to 12.5 into 10. Okay, 12.5 into 10 plus 10 into 8 plus 8 into 12.5. So we will get 125 plus 80 plus 100, that is equal to the 610 centimeter square. Now compare the total surface area of the cubical box is less as compared to the total surface area of the cubical box, that is 610 centimeter. How much? 10. So the difference equals to 610 minus 600, that is 10 centimeter square. So similarly you can write the total surface area of cubical box is less or smaller than the total surface area of cubical box by 10 centimeter square. Okay, look at your answer at once.